it is CSS battle time. All right. Okay. I think what I'm seeing, I'm not seeing half circles with the black shifted over. I think what I'm seeing is a pill shape with this black shape being layered above it. Layered above it, I don't know, whatever your viewpoint angle is. So this darker square is above it, and then we can do a light box shadow across. And of course, this being not the background. I think what I might do, what I might do is make this pill shape the HTML element and do a big box shadow all around it. But I'm going to do that on the radius. And then I'm also going to shift it to the left by whatever this value is. But because I'm going to have such a big value on the radius, it won't matter that it's shifted to the left. It'll still look like this blue field as the box shadow around the HTML, and of course using margin and border radius on it to make the right shape. Then body will have to be position fixed because it's going to be outside of the effective HTML element. But it's going to be this box, and I'll use font size for the radius here. Let's just start. Why am I talking it through? Let's just do it. So I think this will work. I think I won't have to use any variables that way. So let's go star, because we're going to have the same background on everything. We're going to do this, right? And we're going to do box shadow. And we're going to do like -50 pixels, right? Then 0. Okay, we're seeing it on the body already. 0 blur, and then we're going to say like 20M, right? It's going to be huge, and it's going to be this light blue color. Now, let's actually hide the body for a moment. Let's just select the HTML and get this margin down where we need it to be. So we're going to do like 50 on the top, and then the right is going to be a lot. Okay, so the bottom's going to be different. That's fine because we have to put in the bottom anyways. Right, we're going to do like 100, more than that, 150, 180. It's going to be like 200. Of course, that disappears it because it's only 400 across, but we'll fix that in a moment. We're going to do like 40 on the bottom. It's probably going to be something different. 100. There we go. 20. Okay, and it's going to be 30 on the bottom. All right. Let's look at this. Okay, so we throw a border radius on this, and we should be good to go for the HTML element. Border. Oh, this is coming together, man. Let's do 1 inch. Hey, I like it. Now, the only thing I don't want on the body is this border radius. So what I might do is I might throw that up there. What I might do is just make a separate selector for all these things that I do want to inherit, and then we can nest in here to select the body. That not work? Why are we not working? Oh. I know why. I know why it's not working, because the margin is deleting the we need to select the body, and we'll go position fix, and it should take care of this. Nope, not doing it yet, because we still have a very large box shadow that's covering. Oh yeah. I remember now. Font 0A. There. Okay. So what I did is I deleted the box shadow expansion of this 20M that was here. That was covering everything with this font 0A. Can I back that? No, I have to keep a space there. All right. So now I need to give the body size with padding. We can just do some padding. It's going to be like 100 by 50. Okay, not quite 100. 60? No, 80. Somewhere in there. 80 by 40. That looks good. And look, our box shadow is very nicely placed there. Let's margin this into place. Margin 0. No, we don't want 0. We want 20. Oh, like a little bit. Let's just hit the diff and get this placed. 30, 40. And it looks like this needs to be 70. There we go. And let's move it over. 50, 80. There we go. And then this needs to be like 80. And we have it. Hit submit. So we could chase Q units on one spot. Not worth it. 220. I like it. I'm pretty happy with that. It worked out. We finally did the font thing. You know? I do have to have that extra selector for the border radius, so I don't have to unset it. Ooh. Actually, we can do the same font thing. What if the border radius was in like M, and then we set font 0, it's going to unset too. Okay, alright, okay. We can save a couple more characters here. Let's take you, let's go like this. Let's actually move that down so that, oh my goodness. I can do this, I promise I can Alt. There we go. Alright. What we're going to do, I don't know why I'm getting the tabs lined up for that. I'm just going to minify it. 1M. No, we don't want 1M. We need more than that. 3. There we go. Because I think it's 50%. It's like whatever it is, you know how 50%, if you go to 100%, it's still, you know, similar. You get the circle thing. So over a certain amount, it does it. And so now what we're doing, we got it. Because that is also being reset to 0. So I'm essentially unsetting border radius with the font as well. So that was, all right. That saved me like 3 or 4 more characters. Let's come back here. I think this is the last bit of white space I have to get rid of, right? Did I do it? Just quick scan, see if I missed anything obvious. Nope, 152. I like it. Cool. All right. That was fun. See you guys tomorrow. Bye.